Hello, how are you? Fine? Excellent. We are going to work in our grammar part. Here we go. The page is the page number 73, language. Okay? Before, we are going to make a little review, okay, on the page number 72. Okay, the verb to do. Remember, with the subject I, you, we, and they, we use the verb do. With he, she, and it, we are going to use does. Okay, and this is for the affirmative. Okay, excellent. Now we are going to see on the page number 73 the verb to do, but in the negative present tense. Okay, for the negative present tense, for the verb to do, para el negativo de la forma del presente del verbo to do, agregamos add the word not. Vamos a agregar not after the words do or does, después de las palabras do y does. Okay, remember, again, I, you, we, and they, we are going to use do. After do, we are going to write not. Vamos a escribir not para que sea negativo. Do not. Okay. If you are going to use the contraction, si vas a utilizar la contracción, is don't. Okay. With the subject he, she, and it, we are going to use does plus not. Para negativo, does not. Okay, we are going to use the contraction is doesn't. Okay, do not, don't, does not, doesn't. Okay, examples. Don't you like this movie? Don't we have to go? Doesn't she eat meat? Okay, I do not like this movie. We do not have to go. She does not eat meat. Okay. Using contraction. In contracción. Okay. I don't like this movie. We don't have to go. She doesn't eat meat. Okay. Negativo. Okay. Just remember the ruler here is that you have to follow the subject. Ok, si tú sabes con qué subject va do y con qué subject va does, acá igual no se te hará difícil, ok. Este es para negativo. Excellent. So we are going to put in practice our knowledge, okay, here in this part. Complete the following sentence using the correct affirmative or negative form of the verb to do. Completa las siguientes oraciones utilizando la forma correcta del afirmativo o de la forma negativa del verbo to do. ¿Ok? Tenemos que ver nuestra página 71, 72 and 73. ¿Ok? Where, ¿ok? Do or don't. Okay, you choose here. Okay. My sister likes vanilla, but she does not or don't. Remember that you have to choose the correct one. Number 3. Do you read a story every night or does you read a story every night? Recuerda que con las preguntas acá, contestas acá. No, I doesn't or no, I don't. Number 4. Does your cat sleep on the sofa or do your cat sleep on the sofa? ¿Qué dices tú? ¿De quién están hablando? Del gato. Ok, el pronombre para el gato es it. Ok, so ya sabes qué poner acá. Do or does. Yes, it does or yes, it do. Ok, tú tienes que saber, porque lo vamos a poner en práctica, son solamente 5. Our dog Okay, doesn't o don't bark at strangers. Perro no le ladra a los extraños. Our dog. Recuerda que dog es el pronombre it. Entonces vamos a utilizar aquí doesn't or don't. Okay, I know that you are gonna do a good job. Okay, if you have any questions or concerns, let me know by email or by platform. Okay, and you know you are a hard worker. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.